How to tune shuffle play off on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can tune off shuffle play on Spotify, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to tune off shuffle play on Spotify, I will show you what the issue is. When you open up the Spotify app and then you play a specific song from a specific playlist over here, the problem over here seems to be that when you go to the end of this song, instead of directly playing the next song after this, it is going to play a random song from the playlist. So why is this happening? This is happening because shuffle play is currently turned off, right? So how do you turn off shuffle? So in order to turn off shuffle, keep in mind that if you have a free account, you will not be able to do so. You can turn off shuffle play only if you have a premium account, and premium users will most likely be able to see the shuffle icon right next somewhere over here. They just tap on the three dots, they'll be able to turn off shuffle. So if you're a free user, previously Spotify had this feature, but now they don't allow users to turn off shuffle. So if you still want to, then you can just go to premium section, try to get and purchase a premium version of Spotify, which is fairly cheap, and then after you've done that, only you should be able to turn off shuffle play. So hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.